What's up, guys? Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the Alaskan pocket knife. Let's begin. Okay, now this is actually I'm not saying that these are made in Alaska. This is probably stainless steel. More of a tourist knife out there than anything else out there. So this one right here, that's like almost faded, is actually from an actual store, the Knife and Ulu store, which I did looked on the website, which yes, it is there. And unfortunately, most of those knives are pretty expensive, like $400 out there. And this is Ketchikan, Alaska. Funny part about this out there is these, including the rainbow knife, was from a previous video, and an ulu, yes, an actual ulu. I got those from the Alaskan field trip. Yeah, those were in 2011. So that's a really funny thing out there. This one's probably stainless steel. Of course, the construction on this is pretty decent. I mean, it's basically like the normal pocket knife. Like, there's nothing special or anything. Made of stainless steel, the whole body is. And that's how you close it, and this is how you open it. So, let's talk about the size out there. So, blade on the pocket knife would be at around about like 1/3 of an inch, almost to a 2-inch. Meanwhile, for the handle, while it closes, would be around about 3 inches. Meanwhile, for the overall size, would be around about 5 inches. So, let's test this bad boy out. So, the result on this is okay out there. Yeah, it's not that really sharp out there. Actually, I haven't even, like, sharpened this at all. Okay, that's a little sharp out there. So I give these the Alaskan pocket knives an astounding of, well, I mean, these are really cheap knives out there. And around about, see, a 4 out of 10. Now, these are really cheap knives, and I'm not really expect a lot from that. But there's actually a lot of like other better knives that are actually pretty cheap, but not like something like this out there, which it's a simple, but yet not really gonna like do any of the chopping at all out there. It'd probably be something like a probably like last resort level out there. So that wraps up of the Alaskan Foley knives. I'm Boy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.